Personal hygiene. Keep clean and be healthy.
Hello students, welcome to my channel again. I am Neha Sharma here with another video. Today I am talking about basic habits of personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is how you care for your body. Everyone needs to keep clean to kill germs and avoid getting sick. This practice includes bathing, washing your hands, brushing your teeth, and more. Every day, you come into contact with millions of outside germs and viruses. They can linger on your body, and in some cases, they may make you sick. Personal hygiene practices can help you and the people around you prevent illnesses. They can help you feel good about your appearance. Good personal hygiene will help boost your self-esteem and confidence. My dear students, you need to practice good personal hygiene habits every day. These will become even more important as you grow older. So students, prevent diseases and maintain hygiene. This is proactive way of keeping bacteria and germs away from you, and this also helps in keeping up your immunity. So, it's great to indulge these simple habits as early as possible, and let's take a step forward, and this is the video for you, so keep watching till the end.
First is oral hygiene.
To begin with, first and foremost, oral hygiene. It helps to keep cavities away, bad breath and oral diseases. This can be done by achieving basic few methods. So, first is brush 2 times a day. See this picture, how to brush your teeth.
Follow these steps to brush your teeth.
Second thing is, as soon as you eat any sweet, you have to brush your teeth after having it,
as this will keep your teeth healthy.
And kids, for you, I would insist you to use fluoride-free toothpaste.
Next is bathing ritual.
The next basic habit is bathing ritual. You have to understand that this will keep sweat and bad odor which sweat causes, and it also invite bacteria. So, only bathing can help. During summers, it is good to bathe once at least a day. You should also have to keep your private parts clean.
You should also wash your hair once a week.
And twice is great. Scrub your body at least once a week or in fortnight. Scrub is important because you go outdoor and bring a lot of dust over the body, which cannot be just washed away by applying soaps. And also, don't scrub so hard on your soft, delicate skin. It's just to scrub and be gentle. Along with that, use curd or milk that can also be used, and use mild soaps, not one with a lot of chemicals. There are so many organic soaps that you can use.
Hand and foot hygiene.
It's not possible to take bath each and every time you go out and play. So, to take the germs, viruses away, it's good to have a good hand and mouth hygiene. Wash it properly before you get inside. Also, when you go to school and wear socks for the whole day and feet sweats, so it's important to wash them. So basic hand and foot hygiene can be achieved by making it a habit of washing your hand and foot whenever you come back from your outdoor play or once you back from school.
Also, trimming your nails once in a week.
Then must wash your hands before and after every meal. As you can see in this picture, how to wash your hands.
Follow these 6 steps to wash your hands.
And wear fresh socks each and every time.
Toilet or washroom hygiene.
Toilet or bathroom is most infected area with lot of germs indoor. cleaning bathroom and toilet regularly is one such habit. Few things you can do to keep yourself safe. One is wash or clean your private parts every time you use a washroom. Second thing is to learn flush each time after you use. Keep it dry. Third thing is to avoid using too much of water. Use water smartly. And last, wash your hands each time after you use the washroom or toilet.
Cough and sneeze hygiene.
Kids should learn this basic coughing and sneezing etiquette as early as possible. This will help you and your family to stay away from the illnesses. It's good because it keeps yourself and your family safe.
Cough with your hands covered. Sneeze using a handkerchief and not your hands. And wash your hands as many times as possible.
Especially when you have cough and cold, because for cough you use your hand and for sneeze you use your handkerchief with your hands. So wash it as and when possible.
Keep your house clean.
Lastly, I would like to talk about home hygiene. This is whole hygiene. Till now we were talking about personal hygiene. There are few things which can be followed at home to keep your surroundings clean. The place where you stay needs to clean. This can be done by following few methods which I am going to tell you.
Wear clean clothes. Put your dish in the sink once you finish your meal. And the third thing is clean it when you spill it.
When you spill something on floor or table or anywhere at home, you must realize that it's your responsibility to clean it.
Then keep your toys back at the place where they belong.
You don't have to spread it all over the house and create a mess when your mother is resting.
Altogether, you can keep your cupboard neat and clean.
Put back things where they belong, or you must know how to keep your clothes tidily and neatly placed, organized, or even applied to books, toys, and gadgets if you have any. So, as I promised, this will help you in life and also to be organized. Now, few things to remember.
Dear parents, you should remember.
Before I close this video, few tips I have for your parents also. As I always say, these habits are not followed by just being told. You have to set an example. Kids learn by seeing more than listening. So let's be their role model. Also, things cannot happen instantly. Be patient over a period of time. Kids will learn and will make it a habit. Most importantly, encourage them, appreciate them whenever they do small bits of hygienic things. They will gradually be happy to do it, and they will definitely inculcate it in their lifestyle. So, happy healthy life to all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, don't forget to share it with your friends. Take care. Bye-bye.
Once again, remember these good hygiene practices. Thank you.